Hello Internet, this is LordMaddog, and I'm coming at you with another quick update to my SOULSLIKE project, and today's update is photo mode. So while you're in your character, you can press Z to enter photo mode, which enables you to fly around and take pictures. Now your left mouse, your left mouse button will actually take a picture. So here we'll zoom in and boom, we took a picture. You can see up there, we have the little notification in the corner in the bottom over there, we took a picture. And you can also adjust the time dilation. So while the moment you enter photo mode here, you'll see our time dilation over there in the corner goes all the way down to 0.1. No, it's 0.001. So we basically stop the game, and you can adjust the time dilation by pressing minus keys right there. Or you can put the little mouse button to switch back between normal speed and slow speed. All right. And then we have the actual options for photo mode. So we hit Alt to bring up our menu here. We've got bloom. We can take bloom up and down with brightness. Basically all you kind of like normal options you get for this type of stuff. Chroma deviation, lens flare, vignette, saturation, and all the kind of different cool little options you get for this type of stuff. So like if you want to make kind of cool like picture there. And then we got camera different things. We have different filters. We have sepia, technicolor, and icy cold. That's all I have for now. These are just examples filters. Basically, when you were to actually use the system, you can easily add more to it. And then we got aperture, which shows we can, if we want to have less focus, just focus here, kind of focus the background as we're trying to get rid of the background focus here. The focus is here. We got autofocus. Here we go. There we go. You see the background is now out of focus. I'm not really good with my camera settings, aperture and sensor width. Somebody who knows all that stuff would probably be really able to make a nice picture with this stuff. There we are. And then we have dolly. So this enables us to do stuff like zoom in on here. We need to change the camera settings a little if we want to have a little bit more focus on the character as we get closer. There we go. We're going to go ahead. We're going to set our target. So you'll see we'll set the target right there in the middle of the flare. And it did that. We're going to set our end location. And we're going to zoom way out over here. We're going to hit our start location. We're going to pipe this up to about 4 seconds. And we're going to hit play. And then you see there. And it zooms in on the character. I did not do the focus very well, but other than that, it turned out pretty well. We're going to reset the focus settings and other thing settings. And we also have, for other than dolly settings, we have pose. So we're able to change the character pose. Well, now he's sitting. And we have praying, slam, and cast. I could add more, but like I said, this is basically for an example. Then we have some Aurora settings. These are just basically effects. All I did is take the effects from when you're hit with a status effect and just make it so the player, you could use them here. If you want to make some really cool status effects, it's really easy with Niagara particle effects. And then you can just add them to the menu there. So we got fire effect, we got windy, we got earthy, which has actually turned out to be the better one. Empowered, which is all focused on the head like he's like some Super Saiyan. And we got lighting. Empowered's only one I actually made for this. and that's the menu. It actually enables you to do a lot of little nice things. And when you exit out of it, of course, all that stuff will be gone. You don't have to worry about that. So like, let's take a really cool picture here. Let's go ahead and exit. Let's pull out our weapon and do a jump down. There we are. Pause it right there. We got a nice slash. If we wanted to do some, I don't know, we'll make it black and white with darker contrast. There we are. Yeah, I'll exit that. We got F11 to full screen and take a picture. There we go. We took a picture. So now we have a nice picture that we could use. We can just come over here and click on it. And we'll see it in where is it at? There it is, the screenshots. And there you are. We now have ourselves a nice screenshot. Yep, and that's pretty much the photo system. If you liked it, likes, shares, and comments are always welcome. Any suggestions is also welcome. LordMaddog, signing off.